absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to do a very trendy video, that is the Drop to Fab challenge, and the people are doing it in 5 minutes, but I'm not that. I can do in 5 minutes. I do my makeup in 1 hour or so in the regular basis, or whenever I have to do the makeup. So this is the festive Drop to Fab look, and I just hope that you all love this video. For that, please stay in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. First, I will do my base, and for that, the first step is obviously a moisturizer, and for that, I am using L'Oreal White Perfect Day Cream, and it works amazing as a moisturizer too. So as it's winter and my skin really needs a very good moisturizer, and I will apply a very good amount of the moisturizer. अगर आप बहुत अच्छी तरह मॉइस्चराइज नहीं करोगे अपना फेस, then your face will look cakey after the foundation, and your foundation and the concealer and top of many products, your face will ruin. Main problem is that your face will be ruined badly, and pimples होंगे, scars होंगे, breakouts होंगे. So just have the shield between your makeup and your skin. So I'm done with my moisturizer, and I just feel that my skin is not that much moisturized. So I just need to add some oil to that, because I don't want my skin should look cakey after the foundation. And for my oil, I'm using the Nikake 24 Karat Prime Oil and the Natural Oil. Now I can say that my face is fully moisturized, and we have to wait for around 5 minutes, because we have to allow our oil to sit in our skin, because otherwise our makeup will be slipped off from our face, and because ऑयल होगा, ऑयल की वजह से मेकअप हमारे फेस पर बिल्कुल भी नहीं टिकेगा. जितना भी हम लगाएंगे थोड़ी देर टिकेगा, बाद में ऐसे लगेगा हमारा रिप्ड ऑफ हो रहा है. So we have to wait for around 5 minutes. So my skin is full ready to handle my makeup, and for my foundation I'm using my current favorite combination of the foundation, and the first one is the Maybelline foundation in the shade 112 Natural Ivory, and the next is the Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation in the shade FLF 003, and I will mix the foundation and make my own shade of the foundation. It's ready, and I will use the flat brush Like this is the concealer brush and I will apply with this on my full face. So if your neck is on like a sensitive side, then ये नो के आप like अपना फाउंडेशन यहाँ पर ही छोड़ दो, like on your jawline. Just blend थोड़ा सा downwards, proper neck पर नहीं लेके जाओ, थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे ले जाओ कि like ये और ना लगे बिल्कुल भी. So my foundation is ready and my base is not still ready. We have to do a lot of things on this. Cover all my imperfections. I'm using this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to pick this shade and this shade. You might wonder that I need to do this step before foundation, but you know, I know this step last 1.5 years. I never do this step, but recently I started doing this step and it just avoids the layering thing कि इतना नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा लेयरिंग की हुई है. सो यू नो दैट बहुत ज़्यादा लेयरिंग करनी पड़ती है, like concealing, correcting, foundation, concealing, powder, bronzer, blusher, many things. So this just avoids a little bit of the कि थोड़ी कम लेयरिंग लगती है. सो ये ना हो कि लाइक आप फाउंडेशन के ऊपर ही अपना वो ऑरेंज वाला लगा के फिर उसके बाद कर रहे हो. ऐसा ना करना. लाइक whenever you have to use the पूरा अपने स्किन टोन वाला शेड, then you can try this technique and it will definitely work for you. So just apply your skin tone concealer wherever you need. ये ना हो कि like हाँ मेरे थोड़ा सी इधर भी है तो इधर भी लगा लो, ऐसे मत करना. So we have to avoid the layering. So जहाँ पर भी आपको need है उसी जगह पर लगाना, ज़्यादा मत, पूरे फेस पर मत लगाना. So ऐसे मत करना कि लाइक जहाँ पर भी आपके imperfections नहीं है कि लाइक थोड़े से imperfections है, मैं यहाँ पर भी लगा लेती हूँ कि थोड़े से कम लगेंगे. डोंट डू दिस जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि लाइक आपके मेजर प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरियाज वहीं पर लगाना, because we have to avoid the layering. जितनी ज़्यादा आप लेयरिंग करोगे आपका बेस उतना ही ज़्यादा केकी लगेगा. I'm done with my correcting part and now I have to apply the concealer to highlight my center of my face. And for my concealer I am using this L'Oreal Infallible full weird plus corrector, and I'm in the shade 312 Amber, and I've just tried twice. So till now I can't tell you कि like ये concealer अच्छा है कि नहीं. So for me it is working amazingly. Like it just replaces the tart. You can say that I'm saying that it replaces the tart, means it replaces the tart. मुझे एक ऐसा भी कंसीलर चाहिए था जो टार्ट को रिप्लेस कर पाए, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि हमेशा 24/7 मतलब लाइक जब भी मैं मेकअप लगाऊं और वो मैं टार्ट ही लगाऊं. सो आई जस्ट हैव अ वेरी गुड रिप्लेसर, एंड कि कभी भी खत्म हो जाए, ये ना हो कि मैं मेकअप करने से बैठ जाऊं. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा वैसे. लाइक तभी भी एज अ अजम्पशन कि लाइक मैं मेकअप ना कर पाऊं. सो दैट इज ऑन द थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव साइड. ये आता है 700-800 का, वो आता है 2500 और 3000 के बीच में. So that is quite good amount for the concealer, I guess. So if you have the problematic area where you can't apply like this type of concealer, highlighting concealer, then don't go with the technique which I told you earlier. Example, अगर आपके यहाँ पर problematic area है तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप यहाँ पर अपनी कंसीलिंग कर दोगे, हाइलाइटिंग कंसीलिंग कर दोगे. सो इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया जहाँ मेरे है लाइक अंडर आईज एंड अराउंड द माउथ, there you can apply this highlighting concealer and that will help you out definitely. अगर आपके कहीं और है, so जहाँ पर हम कंसीलिंग नहीं करते, then go with आगे जो हम पहले टेक्निक करते हैं. लाइक पहले हम करेक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद फाउंडेशन, देन कंसीलर. सो वो आपके ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगी. आपके लाइक थोड़े बहुत है लाइक मी, देन यू कैन गो विथ the technique which I told you, because obviously I told you that layering कम होगी थोड़ी. To be honest, like I'm loving the base has turned out. Like this is full flawless face, and personally I just love these type of face. Like this is the perfect, because ना ही ज़्यादा लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ प्रोडक्ट लगाया है, कुछ भी लगाया है. So after all the steps, everything will be normalized. After a very long time, let's do our cream contour and the cream blush. Like this is not a cream blush. For my cream contour, I am using this LA Girl Pro Conceal and I am in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So मैं डायरेक्टली नहीं लगाऊंगी, पहले I will पहले अपने हैंड पर लूंगी. So taking this bronzer with the help of the brush, because जब भी मैं I have tried a lot, जब भी मैं सीधा वॉन्ड से लगाऊं तो मेरे एक लाइन बन जाती है. So with the help of the brush this will be avoided. Taking my beauty blender to blend this out, because I just want के बिल्कुल blended लगे, ये ना लगे कि एक harsh line है. So अगर आप ब्रश से भी करोगे then it will be okay, but I just like the beauty blender more. So I am done with my bronzer. Now it's time to apply the blusher. And for my blusher I am using this Benefit Benny Tint, and this is a very pretty subtle type of blusher. You are like a very minimal makeup person, then you need to try this. I know that this is on the expensive side, but this is totally worth it. My face is fully done, and now it's time to set this base with the loose powder or with the compact. Whichever suits your skin, you can go with that, and I can tell you the difference between these both. Whenever you apply the compact, your base will stay for 3 to 4 hours basically, and whenever you apply your loose powder, your face will stay around 8 to 9 hours, कहीं भी नहीं हिलेगा. If you are full coverage person like me, then you can definitely go with a loose powder. अगर आपको बहुत मिनिमल लुक चाहिए, ऑफिस लुक चाहिए, then you can go with a compact. That is more than enough. My loose powder, I am using this Choperel translucent setting powder, and this is also quite good loose powder because ये बहुत लाइट वेट है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपको फेस को केकी नहीं करता बिल्कुल भी. Taking my same beauty blender and applying on wherever I have applied the concealer. So wait for around 30 to 40 seconds so that your base set on your place. जहाँ पर भी आपने कंसीलर लगाया, आपका पाउडर उसको बिल्कुल सेट कर दे, वो हिलने ना दे. So taking the powder brush to remove the powder from my face. Oh, finally my base is done, and this is the basic base. What I do, So before starting our eyes, I have done the base first. So मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि जो भी आई शेडो का फॉल आउट हो वो यहाँ पर आ जाए अंडरनीथ माई आईज, और जब भी मैं रिमूव करूँ मेरा बेस भी रिमूव हो जाए और लाइंस भी पड़ जाए. So I'm using the loose powder again, and I will apply this powder underneath. Today the palette I'm using is from the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using first this shade and directly applying on my crease. So done with the crease color, now I'm taking the fluffy brush to blend my outers of this color. So now I'm not taking the black color, now I'm taking the mix of the dark brown shades, applying on my outer corners. As I always told you, apply this smoky effect just below your crease line. Don't go above the crease line. Now for my shimmery shade, I'm taking this Forever 52 Professional palette and taking the mixture of this shade and this shade. To apply these type of glitters, take a very good time and apply very precisely, because this only have to build up your look, and अगर आप neatly नहीं करोगे तो आपकी इतनी अच्छी लुक नहीं आएगी. Now removing my powder, and for my liner I'm using this Record Picture Perfect eyeliner. So I will draw a wing with this liner. Mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. According to me, this is the must-have in your vanity, in your makeup box. And for my waterline today, I am going to use this green pencil because I just want to have a festive look in my makeup. To blend my lower lash line, I'm using the same palette and using this green. This is the dark green shimmery shade. For my lipstick, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Matte 250 Rich Marlot, and this is the maroonish shade. I don't want to go with the nude today because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया. I'm using the nudes only on my lips. Up with the beautiful maroonish shade. I have not used these type of shades before, so this is my first time I'm using this much dark shade. Particular shade suits me because my skin tone is on the a more medium deep side, थोड़ी सी dark है, ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, and this shade looks very pretty. And for my blusher, I'm using my favorite Tati's Pro Glow palette and taking this peachy shade. Dark the cream contour, and I'm not likely to apply any powder contour on top of that because it will be more on the heavy side, which I obviously don't want. And for my highlighter, I'm using my current favorite, the highlighter from the Becca, and this is the Champagne Pop. So guys, I just hope that you all love this look. This look is full of festive vibes and the Christmas vibes, I guess. And I just hope that you are loving my Christmas series. For that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.